Okay, now.
Yes.
So
Welcome.
welcome now. So what we need to know? What you need to know? So your thing is you are applying for a, you're trying to apply for a job.
For a job, it will be. I think, in my opinion, they want to know about us, about the graduate when they will graduate, how he is knowledge about
Knowledge, yeah, the knowledge,
knowledge
yes.
about the PCB, about
So what's the company
about the
name?
Laham.
Yeah, what's the company
The
name?
company name is Natural Company for Mechanical System.
So how did you know the company? How did you able to know this company?
From the college, when I graduate, they take
Okay.
they take 4 people from our
Yeah, knowledge, yes.
graduate, yes,
Yeah.
of our college, and then
They recommend you for this
yes, yes,
in this company.
yes, a lot of
So so meaning you receive an email from the school
yes,
that you can apply for this company.
yes. They
Okay.
already taken in the college, and they call us or send an email.
Yeah.
And you have an interview if you can.
I see.
Yes,
So you are requested to come to this company by the school.
yes,
So for an interview.
yes.
How many students are there to be interviewed?
I think three.
Is this all electronics or?
It's only in electronics. This is my major.
I
And
see.
in another major, they are have this something.
So
As
did you check the background of the
Maintenance.
company? Did you check the background of the company? The background. I mean, what kind of company is dealing with what product or something? What job you will be doing there or something
I
like
think it will be about the laham.
that? Really? Well, soldering, soldering.
The name of the position, it will be electronics technician.
Okay.
Yes.
So, but you don't have an idea on what will be the exact job, exact details of the work.
I don't know really, but it will be the same what we do it in the college. Not exactly, but it will be the
Related to the
yes, related to
activity.
yes.
Mm.
They want to know if we have a know about knowledge, the basics,
Yes, yes.
the laham, how you can do the laham exactly.
Yeah, but you know it, right? I already teach you how to do that.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah, so meaning what you expect to be in, what questions do you think will be there when during the interview?
I think they will ask me about the project we will do already.
Yeah, the
project.
one that you did with our course, na? The
Yes.
project.
Yes.
Remember, okay, I will remind you about, okay, I will refresh your mind on
Yes.
regarding our project before. What we had before, I think, during your time with me in the class, we had the sensor.
Yes.
Do you remember the sensor? Is
Yes.
it a proximity sensor? An object sensor for, I think that's your project with me, the sensor, the sensoring.
Yes. What's the name?
It's what you call the object sensor.
Object sensor.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't.
When you move, then there will be a light, something like that.
Yes.
You remember?
When you what we say when you connected to the power, it will be the light. It will.
Yeah. No, but I mean, there's a sensor there, no?
Yes.
It not, when you plug it, it's not going to be on directly, you know?
Okay.
It should be triggered by the sensor. That's the normal operation of that project. But I think that the main thing is, in a, for example, in a company like what you are after now, I think what you need to know is the technical aspects only, how to solder, how to recognize the components.
Yes.
You know that? Because I think one of the questions there will be what components did you deal with? For example, resistor,
Yes. Resistor,
capacitor, and those
diode.
things, yeah, the diodes
Yes.
and those things. No?
Yes.
I think that will be a very basic questions. Yeah, and if they will ask you about PCB, exactly what is printed.
Yes. That's
Printed,
what I want.
yeah, printed circuit board.
Okay.
So PCB means printed circuit board.
Eh,
So it's
Princess.
printed.
Printed.
Yeah,
Okay, yes.
printed circuit board. So that's the meaning of PCB. So the PCB is the board wherein you will design the circuit.
Okay.
Remember that we did before. We
Yes.
design. We
What's
have a
the first step?
yeah. We start with the schematic diagram.
Okay.
Okay. After that, from the schematic diagram, we will transfer those connections on the PCB.
On the PCB.
Right? What we did
In the
is-
laptop.
Yeah, in the laptop. We use a software what we call the PCB
Layout.
layout, PCB layout, right?
Yes.
So it's PCB.
This is name for the
Yeah, it's a software, a program, no?
software program.
Yeah, Express PCB. We call it Express PCB.
Yes, I want this to name. I want just
Yeah, yeah.
Express PCB.
Yeah, Express PCB.
And
You can mention to the interviewer that during my class, during our study with the PCB, we've used a software what we call Express PCB. What's the use of Express PCB? So this will create, this is a software
Okay.
wherein you can create the PCB layout of a certain schematic diagram or circuit.
Okay.
So you will just use this software to construct the layout from an schematic diagram, from a diagram, any diagram.
Okay.
See, and for after you construct the layout through this software program.
Okay.
So that's the time you can print it out, the layout, the final layout, and after that the next thing is the process, how to manufacture or how to fabricate the PCB.
Okay.
Remember?
Yes.
Remember? But we use some liquid thing before, no? Remember that we have the UV light, ultraviolet light.
Yes.
Remember?
We put the board.
We put the board on the UV light.
What's the name
for
this,
developing
this
the
device? This device.
yeah, ultraviolet light.
Ultra. But
Yeah, UV light.
I need this name.
Yeah, UV light. UV light. So UV light. You need to always remember. But this
Anyway.
is not a new. This is not a very new. It's an old technology actually. But since we don't have the other resources other than this for now,
Okay.
Other than now, we usually used to have this thing, the ultraviolet light, to develop the image of the PCB. So what we did, we transferred the image of the PCB.
Okay. The first step.
Yeah, the first step is if we so after the program, you design the layout. So the next step is to transfer this image PCB layout
Okay.
through to the board
Okay.
by the use of the UV light, the ultraviolet light.
This is a program.
Yeah, no, not a program. The UV light is the light, the lamba. Remember that the one that we have the
Yes. Yes. We put it like a sandwich.
yeah, like a sandwich. Yeah, like a sandwich. Yeah, right.
Yes.
So we transfer
Yes.
with the light. We transfer the image from the paper, the plastic one, what we call the acetate film, the
Okay.
plastic film.
Okay.
So wherein we print that image there, and that image will be transferred to the board, which is the PCB, using that UV light.
UV light.
Yeah, ultraviolet light. Yeah, it's an old-fashioned way, but still it's effective.
Yes.
We're doing old-fashioned because there are so many new technologies now coming. Other than this, though, there are machines that drilling machine, something like drilling machine that usually do these things now for the new technology now that came. They are using software program which is highly sophisticated programs, no?
Oh, okay.
That they used to do this thing by a drilling machine. Directly designing the layout using the drill machine with the drill bits or something like that.
Okay.
You know the machine that we have in the shop, the big machine, the blue one.
For what?
This is the drilling machine that we did not use during our. At the center of at the table, there's two machines there with the glass, something like
yes,
glass.
Yes.
So we are not using because of the program. We don't have the program yet for that one.
Okay.
It's
Until
not,
now?
Until now, because of that the vendor did not respond to our inquiry about the program that they need to fix. Or they need to install again because the program we lost the program. We don't know where is the program now. And we don't have the CD now. I don't know who get the CD which contains the program, this
Okay.
installation program for. So we're calling the vendors. But until now they did not
Yes.
respond to our.
Okay.
That's why we use still the old-fashioned way that for
It will be old, old technology.
old yeah, a little old technology. Yes, it's an old technology actually. We use an old technology, not really new, but it's still effective. But for the purpose of fabricating the PCB, you can still meet the objective. We
Okay.
still met the objective of fabricating because the main objective of the course is to fabricate the PCB.
Yes, fabricate.
So we are able to fabricate the PCB using our methods,
Yes,
our
yes.
process. Okay.
The company they are use the same what we use.
Well, this is I don't know if this I'm not sure. Maybe during your if you will be accepted in the company, maybe it will be with you with your idea. If your own idea,
Yes.
if you, for example, if they ask you to fabricate a PCB, you can have your own way of doing it. Because if they don't have still the new thing, but main I think if the company is dealing with PCB exactly,
Yes.
they will have the machines there, which is much better than we are using here.
It's a new technology.
New thing, of course. But the thing is, you have the idea already. This is the only thing that you need to know, the basic
The
things.
basic, yes.
You know PCB, you have an idea on how to read the diagrams, how to transfer this one connection to the other.
Okay.
See,
Yes,
this is
yes.
this is the idea of as long as you know this basic knowledge, okay, and of course you know how to identify components. Mainly, this is the basic, very basic
Okay.
identification of the components. You know how to identify the resistors, some other basic components.
Yes.
So this is most important.
I think they will ask me about the how you can ham exactly in the resistor or any component in
Yeah.
the circuit board.
You said yes.
How you can?
You can you drill and then
Yes, in the exactly in the point.
yeah, and this yeah,
Yes.
so exactly the point connection.
Yes, yes.
So what you tell them that during our study we did a PCB from the scratch.
Yes,
From the
yes.
scratch, nothing.
Yes.
A board, nothing there. So what we did, we designed during my time we designed a PCB layout to that board. We transferred the design on that board. We drill it. We put a drill, and after the drilling, we put the components and lam,
Yes.
and we solder it. The connection, we solder it and
Yes.
test the circuit.
Yes, we test it.
That's
how,
the main
how
point.
how we can test the circuit?
Test by putting it in the supply. Putting power on it,
Okay.
either by battery or by the
Okay.
AC
If we have
source.
LED, it will be on.
Yeah, it will be on.
If it is not connection not good, it will be not.
Yeah, of course. It depends on the project, the work, the function,
Depends on
the function of the project.
the function.
Yeah, the function of the project. So because many,
Not
many.
the laham, not the. I think it will be
What do you mean?
the how it will be work.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, this is this thing will come at the end of the project. I mean, once you make the project, that's the testing time, the testing point. So that's the time you will test and you will check if the circuit is working properly or not. And if not, you will troubleshoot. And we did also some troubleshooting. We measure some,
Yes, yes,
right?
yes, yes.
During our time, we measure some component. What's the output or what's the voltage? You
Yes,
can
yes.
you can use DMM, simple DMM to measure the voltage and
Yes, of course.
right. This is
Yes,
the thing.
yes, yes, yes.
So I think once the company knows that you have a basic knowledge on these things, you speak on this kind of
Yes,
thing.
yes.
They will know exact. immediately that okay, this student has a knowledge on
Yes, yes.
on this work. They have an, they just want to know. Of course, you are not a specialist on this kind of thing because you are just a
Yeah.
beginner.
Yes, yes.
They, what do they expect from you,
Mm.
right? They expect only basic things only,
Basic things, yes.
the basic things. What you know, what basic things you know about
Yes.
PCB. What is PCB? It's a board, PCB, printed circuit board, simply
Yes.
like that. So what's this a PCB? We are transferring the layout on the PCB,
Transfer layout.
on the PCB,
PCB, yes.
right? From a circuit, we are transferring the layout on the PCB. And from this PCB also, after transferring the layout, we make a hole and put the components.
Yes.
This is what we did in the college.
Yes.
Basic.
Basic. Yes.
Basic, yeah, of course, basic.
Yes, yes. But I forget the idea. You know, I taken this course before
Mm, mm.
1.5 years.
Mm.
So that it will be. You know, I taken.
I know, I understand, yes,
courses
I understand,
and,
yes.
And they do a lot of project. I do, alhamdulillah, 3 projects with the BCB.
I understand, yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
I think even in troubleshooting, you did something,
Yes.
right, with the Suberi.
It was Zubair. Yes.
Yes, I know. You did also something there like microcontroller or something like that.
Yes, alhamdulillah. We
Because
worked also.
because I was there during the presentation,
Yes,
right?
yes,
So I was
yes,
one of the evaluators.
It was about blind gloves.
Yeah.
No, see,
Yeah, yeah.
The blind glove.
Mm.
The any things they have, any materials,
Mm.
you will remind the blind. Like اللهم صل على الرسول اللي هو you know this what they will use blind. That's not,
To
to know.
water to water the plants or what?
No. To know there is something. The idea it will be about the same line stick. The idea it was on the stick, but we change it. It will be in the gloves. It will be easier, easy More easy,
More easy.
you know, for the blind.
For the blind people.
Yes, blind people. Yes,
Okay. That's the idea of the
that's the
project.
idea. Yes.
I see.
Alhamdulillah, it was easy. We're using the Arduino Uno, you know.
Yeah, Arduino, yes, Arduino Uno, yes. Microcontroller. Mm.
And Alhamdulillah, I did the another project. It will be about smart car parking system. It's like the quality.
Same course? Same with the Suberi or no?
No, with Roberto Senidoza.
Yeah, microcontroller.
Yes.
Mm.
And we do it, and Alhamdulillah, it was very good.
Okay.
It was in the summer.
You can mention also that things during your interview.
Yes.
So-
But I think they will take the BCB exactly. You know.
More like a
There is- It will
PCB.
be a unit about the
PCB. yeah.
PCB board.
I
You
see.
know, that's why I want to know a lot of things about
PCB.
You know.
Yeah, that's the actually what I told you before. No, what I mentioned now with you is the very basic thing that you need to know on PCB. That's the only one thing you need to know. There's nothing more you can discuss with them. As long as just tell them the activity that you did, and automatically they will know that you have some knowledge on it.
Yes.
This is the main
I
point.
know that.
But if you're not inventing something, you really did something during that time. That's why you will know it.
Yes.
You have this thing
Just
with
I
you.
want you. What's the question? It will be.
Mm.
As you engineer right
Yeah.
now, they thinking like you.
Yeah,
I am a
I know. That's why
beginner.
I'm telling you.
Yes.
If I'm the one that who will interview you, I will make sure that you, when I'm talking to you,
Okay.
you should tell me the basic things about electronics, like the components. Okay. So what are the components that you know?
Okay.
So what
What's
are
the
those
function
things? The
of
function,
of
at
the
least, yeah.
Yes.
A basic function. You just read your previous notes. Okay.
Yes.
So you can just search in the internet. So what is resistor? What's the
I
function
know
of
that.
resistor?
Yes. It
That's
will
it.
be easy.
Yeah, it will be easy. And after that, if they need more in-depth talent, like for example, they need more more deeper thing or deeper questions, like about the PCB. That's what I told you before. You just tell them that yeah, we did some PCB design. We have the layout. We did the layout. We transfer the circuit from the circuit. We transfer it to the PCB and become and make a layout out from it and make a layout PCB layout
Okay.
from that circuit. And after that, we fabricate the PCB.
Fabricate PC.
Yeah, fabricate the PCB.
And what's the name?
Yeah,
of
so
the
pa-
device is.
Yeah, so fabrication. So during fabrication, what you did first is we use an UV light,
Okay.
UV ultraviolet light.
This is the name of what?
The machine, the ultraviolet light. This is to develop the image of the layout, the board. Yes,
The layout.
to the board. Yes,
Okay.
to develop or to transfer this image to the board.
Okay.
We use
From where? From the program.
from the program first, then we print.
Okay.
Remember?
Yes, yes, yes.
We make the program of the layout. We design the layout using the program, and after making the layout using the program, we print the layout. We print it, right? We print.
Yes, yes.
We make a printer, right? We
Yes.
use a printer to print the layout,
Yes.
and that layout now is being transferred to the board
Board. Yes.
using the ultraviolet light.
Yes, I remember when we get the paper.
Yeah.
Yes.
The plastic paper, like
Plastic paper.
the acetate, the film, We call it the film.
Yes, 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 yes.
The transparent film, clear film,
That's what
clear
I
plastic.
want. I want
Yeah.
basic information, the exact information.
This is the information that
Because
you
they
need.
will ask.
Yeah. Although they are not, I'm sure that they will not be using these things now. I don't know. I'm not sure yet. But
Yes.
they can use, or they may be still using it or not.
Okay.
But I'm sure
What
they
your
need
knowledge,
to,
it will be.
what they need to know is only your knowledge. You did something.
Yes.
You have knowledge already on these things. So you need. So the next thing is, once you are hired in the company, they will train you for the new machines. Since you have the knowledge, you have the idea, so you can easily learn the things,
Yes, yes.
the machine itself. So you can easily learn about that
Okay.
because you already have the knowledge.
Yes, sir.
This is. I need to transfer this layout on the board. So what's the new process? So we need to do like this to transfer this. It's just a new process, but the basic principle is there.
Yes.
Get the point?
Yes, yes, I get that.
You must know the basic principle.
Yes.
Because not all knows the principle of this.
Yes.
If you are talking to another person which is not in the field of electronics, do they know how to do these things? They do, of course, no,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
Since you're electronics, this is a part of your knowledge and your job. So
Yes, yes, of course.
this is what they need to do, because they will know immediately if you're really talking, if you know what you are talking.
Yes.
If you're really electronics guy,
Yes.
right? Because maybe you are just pretending to be an electronic, you are applying for an electronic work, and you're not an electronic person.
Yes.
From there, they will know. But if you speak of those things, I know these things, this component, we PCB layout, we make a PCB layout and like this and etc. Automatically, okay, this guy is really good. This guy is really genuine. This is
Yes.
true electronic guy. So
So,
that's what they are after only. You don't have to be perfect. Well, how can you be perfect? You are just a beginner.
yes.
How can you know the job exactly? How can you know the exact job? You will know the exact job after you are hired, the exact detail of your job.
Yes, yes.
But what they need to know from you only is the basic things.
Basic things about the electronics.
Yeah,
what
yeah.
You use, what you do.
Because you can handle the job once you know the basic things.
Yes.
Because if you're not electronic and you are in the field of, and you will be given an electronic job, how will you know if you're not an electronic person? Since you're electronic, they can entrust you the job. They can give you the job.
Yes, I hope Allah.
Wallah. Yeah, why not?
I am very thinking about the interview already. This is the second interview, you know,
Where's your first interview?
before 2 months.
With which company?
The same company, NCMS. The name.
The same company.
Yes.
How come the same company? They are still getting you interviewed the same?
Yes. Such as my friend, like this. Such as my friend,
Mm.
It's like me also. And I know one person he do only one interview, and after that they will give him the offer. After that, they in this week, mashallah, they give him the offer. You know?
Really?
Yes.
Also electronic? From electronic,
Yes,
our
yes, yes, yes.
electronic students?
Yes,
With us?
Yes. The same company, you know.
Okay.
Mm.
So this is your second interview actually. This is your second interview in the,
Yes.
the same company.
The same company. In the other, I do it. I do it. Yes, I do it. The interview, another interview. But they was in the other side. They need an electric
Person.
technician.
More than electronics.
Yes.
So another
So
area.
I don't receive any
Yeah, because you're
response from-
electronic, because you're
Yes.
electronic, different specialization.
Yes.
It's a different area of job. No, specialization is different thing.
This is the difference.
Electrical is different. Electrical is different.
I
compared to
think
electronics.
the company they will need the electronics technician. They in this time I think it's very little, not
Not
more,
too much.
not more than the electric exact.
People.
Yes, you know.
Hmm. But later on, inshallah, we will see. I heard that there's so many. Somewhere in I don't know what's the student mentioned about a place here in not here, Gasan or something like that. That they found a silicon resources. What's it called silicon? So silicon is used to manufacture the components,
Okay.
electronic components. That material
From where?
they found here in Saudi Arabia.
Okay.
So if this will be implemented, so many new jobs about electronics will be coming for sure.
Okay.
Mm. So, but anyway, don't think of these things na for the meantime. You just think of the
Yes.
the present thing that you will be applying.
Inshallah.
So
I hope it will be good. Inshallah tomorrow. It will be in the afternoon.
Yeah.
Inshallah.
it should be good, to be sure.
I hope.
It will be sure.
I hope.
Johnny. Okay, let's end the interview.
Yes, thank you.